a step-by-step strategy. Literally, just copy the settings, try it, and start getting consistent results today. Only 2 tools, RSI and the Andrews Pitchfork, in simple, beginner-friendly language. Let's dive in. Let's start by setting up the RSI indicator. Set the period to 3 so it reacts only to the most recent price movements, and bump the zones up to 80 and 20 to filter out all the extra noise. Once you see the trend, place your pitchfork. In an uptrend, you mark low, high, pullback. In a downtrend, high, low, pullback. If the pitchfork is placed correctly, the price should respect it. Touches, rejections, movement inside the channel. If price keeps breaking the lines with full candles, the market isn't suitable for this strategy. Open the higher time frame, M10 or M15. Your only job here is to understand the structure. Are highs and lows moving up? That's an uptrend. Moving down? Downtrend. Not consistent? Skip it. You want a clean, stable trend. Then you move to your working time frame, M2 to M5. Here you're watching for a small pullback against the main trend. In an uptrend, price pulls down. In a downtrend, price pulls up. But the important part is that the pullback must start losing strength. You'll see it visually. Smaller candles, slower movement, shorter swings, and wicks appearing on the trend side. That's your first sign that the pullback is running out of momentum. RSI is just a helper. You don't enter based on RSI alone. It only confirms that the pullback is stretched. In an uptrend, RSI usually drops near 20 and starts turning up. In a downtrend, it rises near 80 and starts turning down. All that means is the pullback side is losing energy. Now the key part, the pitchfork boundary. In an uptrend, the pullback should reach the lower pitchfork line. In a downtrend, the upper line. A simple touch is not enough. You want to see that the line actually holds the pullback. When a candle finally moves back in the direction of the trend, that's your confirmation. That's the moment to enter. Before you click anything, check the space ahead. This strategy doesn't work well if there's a level right in front of you. So quickly zoom out on M10 to M15 and check. Is there a strong support or resistance nearby? Is there a level price reacted to earlier? Is there a round number coming up? If the distance is small, skip it. You want at least 4 or 5 average candles of free room. Without space, continuation trades often die immediately. Expiration is simple. Continuation moves need time, so aim for around 4 to 8 candles of your working time frame. On M2, that's roughly 8 to 16 minutes. On M3, around 12 to 24 minutes. On M5, about 20 to 40 minutes. Short expirations often fail because the move just doesn't have time to develop.
I want to start trading, but I'm scared I'll lose money because I'm a total beginner and don't know what I'm doing. I hear this every day. So just reminding you, you can copy my trades for free right now. Just hop on a demo, test it, and see for yourself if it works or not. I trade on Pocket Option, and since I have a partnership with them, you can copy my trades for free as long as you're on Pocket. Instead of paying $150, I'll get a commission from the platform. And no, this won't make you rich overnight, but it gets you started. You'll see how it works, make your first profit, and then decide if you want to go deeper. I see new success stories in my DMs every day, so don't tell me it can't be done. Today it's easier than ever, and you've got the perfect chance to take that first step.
And here's the idea. You enter only when everything lines up. The trend is clean, the pitchfork is respected, the pullback stays inside the channel, RSI is at an extreme and turning, the pullback is visibly weakening, you get a candle back in the trend direction, there's enough space ahead, there's no level blocking the path, and the expiration matches the time frame. If even one part is missing, don't force it. Also, avoid this strategy when RSI is near 50, when the pitchfork keeps breaking, when the market is flat, when a level is too close, when there's no confirmation candle, when volatility is low, or if you're trying to push a counter trend trade. If you like this strategy, I'd really appreciate a like and a subscription to the channel. Stay safe and be in touch.